we got to know about the crops and the types of crops, that is rabi crops and the kharif crops. Today we shall discuss about a process called agriculture. So agriculture, the practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purposes is called agriculture. And the steps of agriculture taken by the farmers are: the first step, plowing of field. Plowing of field, adding manure or fertilizers to the soil, sowing healthy and ripened seeds, irrigating the crops, spraying pesticides on standing crops, and harvesting the crops. So I will repeat it once again. You people have to repeat along with me. Alright? So agriculture, the practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purposes is called agriculture. Steps of agriculture taken by farmers are: plowing of field. Second step, adding manure or fertilizers to the soils. Third step, sowing healthy and ripened seeds. Fourth step, irrigating the crops. Fifth step, spraying pesticides on standing crops. Sixth, harvesting the crops. So these are the 6 steps. Now let us see what is this agriculture. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for the purpose of food and other purposes. So what is this agriculture? It's a practice. That means it's a doing. What we will do? We will grow the plants. Okay, we will grow the plants on a large scale. That means on large scale means in a large field, large area. So we will grow so many plants into a big field. Why we will grow so many plants in a big field? Because for the purpose of food and other purposes. Because of the food and other purposes. So other purposes means it may include the earning of the money. So we growing of plants into a big field for the purpose of getting the food and also for other purposes like earning, trading, like that means for the earning of the money. Okay, so that process is called as agriculture, right friends? And this agriculture, it involves several steps. So to do agriculture, we need to follow certain rules. So what are the rules and the steps? First step, farmers, a person who works for the in the field of agriculture, he is called farmer, and you have seen so many people who are farmer, right? So that is called खेती बाड़ी. Agriculture is nothing but the खेती बाड़ी, and किसान जो खेत में काम करता है, right? That person is called as farmer. Okay? And farmer used to follow certain steps to do the agriculture. So what are the steps? First is plowing of field. So they will plow the field. Second, adding manure and fertilizers. Third is sowing healthy and ripened seeds. Fourth is irrigating the crops. Fifth is spraying pesticides and on standing crops. And last step is harvesting the crops. So now let us understand these steps very clearly through this graphical video.
As plants are producers and we human beings are consumers, we grow more of them. This practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. There are various stages of agriculture. We start with plowing. The soil is first made loose with a plow. The loose soil allows air and water to pass through and helps the roots of crops to penetrate easily into the soil. After that, manures and fertilizers are added to the soil to add nutrients that crops would need to give a good yield. Sowing is done or should be done at the proper time. The process by which a sufficient quantity of water is supplied to the crop plants for the proper growth is called irrigation. When the seeds germinate and the seedlings come out, it is necessary to protect them from pests, diseases, and weeds. Pesticides are sprayed to protect the crop from insects. Farmers use scarecrow to scare birds away from fields where crops are grown. Fencing is also done to keep away grazing animals like cows and goats away from fields where crops are grown. After that, harvesting is done, which is the process of cutting and collecting the mature crop. Lastly, the crops that are harvested needs to be stored properly so that it can be consumed later. And children, now do you know as to how the rice or the apple you eat come from?
And friends, now you got to know about the process of agriculture. Now we will see how to protect the crops. Protection of crops. So the crops that we grow through the process of agriculture is necessary to make the protection for those crops, isn't it? So what are the various steps involved in the protection of crops? Let's have a look at this. Protection of crops. To get good yield, it is not enough only to provide the right conditions, but the crop has to be protected until it is harvested. So crops can be protected in the following ways. Insecticides like DDT should be sprayed to kill the insects. Birds should be kept away from the field by using scarecrows. Animals like crows, goats, buffaloes should be kept away from the field by building a strong fence around the field. Pesticides should be sprayed to kill pests like locusts, caterpillars, grasshoppers, etc. Now let us see how these steps will be followed by the farmers.
Protection of crops. We have to protect our crops from insects, animals, and bad weather conditions. For the protection of crops, we have to follow certain practices. Spraying of chemicals like DDT, Gemaxine, Flit, etc. protect the crops from insects. Animals like rats, birds, squirrels, etc. should be kept away from the field. Preventing the entry of cows, goats, etc. into the field is done by making proper fences. We have to protect our crop plants from disease-causing germs. After harvesting, we have to keep the seeds in airtight containers where water, insects, and other animals cannot reach.
And friends, that's about the protection of crops. And here comes the end of this chapter, food and nutrition. So in the next class, we shall start another new chapter. Before that, complete the sent notes of this lesson with a neat and clean handwriting and submit it on the prescribed timetable. Okay?